Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to download Magis TV on Firestick, how to install Magis TV on Firestick. Let's get started. So in order to do this, you simply need to enable apps from unknown sources and then download the Magis TV app from a trusted source like a web browser. We're going to dive into the specific details in just a moment, but after you've installed it, all you need to do is log in with your Magis TV credentials and start streaming. So what you need to do is, from your Fire Stick's home screen, navigate to Settings. From there, go to My Fire TV, select Developer Options, and then turn Apps from Unknown Sources on. Once you've done that, confirm by selecting Turn on the pop-up option. Once you've done that, go ahead and download the Magis TV app from the Magis TV website or another trusted source that provides the APK file. If downloading from a web browser, navigate to the download link and select Download. If you're using a downloader app, you may need to grant it permission to install apps from unknown sources. Once you've installed it, go ahead and simply launch it, and then you can log into your Magis TV application and continue streaming on Magis TV. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.